In this video, I am explaining another problem in 10th class, real numbers. The decimal forms of some real numbers are given below. In each case, decide whether the number is rational or not. If it is a rational and expressed in P by Q form, what can you say about the prime factors of Q? First one, 43.123456789. Second one, 0.12001200120000 and so on. Third one, 43.123456789. They recurring on 123456789. First, we must know what is rational number, what is irrational number. Rational number means fractions in the form of P by Q, such that PQ belongs to Z and Q not equal to 0. For example, 2 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and so on. These all are rational numbers. If the rational numbers in decimal form, 2 by 3, 0.6666 and so on. Here 6 is repeating. That is called, it is recurring decimal. Recurring means the decimal occurs many times, infinite times. It is written as 0.6 bar on 6, the recurring on 6. 1 by 2 is the decimal form 0.5. 1 by 3, the decimal form 0.3333 and so on. 3 is repeating, that is 3 is recurring, it is recurring decimal. 0.3, the bar are recurring on 3. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 in the decimal form 0.25. 1 by 5, 0.2. Here we observe these 3 decimals, it is 0.5. It ends. These are called terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. Terminate means it stops 0.2. It stops 0.25, 0.5. These are terminating decimals. These are non-terminating decimals, 0.66666 and so on, 0.33333 and so on. It is written as 0.6 bar on 6. It is written as 0.3 bar on 3. So, rational numbers are two types. Recurring decimals and terminating decimals. Recurring decimals and terminating decimals. In first example, 43.123456789, it is ends. So, it is terminating decimal. So, it is rational number. In third example, 43.123456789, recurring on 123456789. So, it is recurring decimal. So, it is also rational number. In the second example, 0.120, 1200, 12000, 12000 and so on. Here, any digit or digits not recurring. So, this type of decimals are called irrational numbers. And also root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7 and so on. These are also in decimal form. The decimal form, the digits are not repeating. It is non-recurring, non-ending. That means non-repeating decimals. Non-repeating and non-recurring decimals. Also pi, e, these are irrational numbers. Totally, terminating decimals are rational numbers. Like first one. The recurring decimals are rational numbers. Like third one. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimals are called irrational numbers. So it is an irrational number. First one is rational number. It is rational number. Any rational number in decimal form, take for example 0.5. It is in p by q form 5 by 10. 25 by 0.25. In p by q form 25 by 100. 1.725. It is 1725 by 1000 and so on. In the first example, one digit after decimal point. So it is by 10. If two digits are there, denominator is 100. Three digits are there, denominator is 1000. And also four digits, then denominator is 10,000. So denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. If the numbers 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 are in prime factorization, 10 equal to 2 into 5. 100 equal to 2 square into 5 square. 1000 equal to 2 cube into 5 cube. 10,000 equal to 2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4. So all terminating decimals having the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So in the denominator, prime factorization 2 and 5 only. The prime factors are 2 and 5 only. If any terminating decimal having 2 and 5 only, vice versa, if the prime factorization of denominator is 2 and 5, then it is terminating decimal. At least one prime factorization for the denominator more other than 2 and 5, it is non-terminating recurring decimal. Take first example. 43.123456789. It is terminating decimal. So it is a rational number. It is terminating decimal. Therefore, it is a rational number. If it is in p by q form, q, that is denominator, having only 2 and 5 as prime factors. Therefore, q having 2 and 5 as prime factors. 43.123456789. It is terminating. Terminating decimals are rational numbers. If a terminating decimal in the p by q form, the denominator q having only 2 and 5 as prime factors. Only 2 and 5. Only 2 and 5 as prime factors. Second one. 0.120, 1200, 12000, 12000, and so on. It is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. It is non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-recurring decimal. So it is an irrational number. Therefore, irrational number. We cannot represent in P by Q form. We cannot represent in P by Q form. Third one, 43.123456789 recurring on 123456789. It is non-terminating recurring decimal. It is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating recurring decimals are rational numbers. Therefore, it is a rational number. It is a rational number. So, we can write it in P by Q form. If it is in P by Q form, Q having at least one prime factor other than 2 and 5. Q having at least one prime factor other than 2 and 5. That is the problem.